Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber, and we are a homeschooling family of two kiddos ages 7 and 12. We are also on our own little journey of finishing our house so that we can get it on the market. The original goal was the 1st of May. Obviously, we're nearing the end of May now. So we are hoping to get it on the market by mid to end of June. The reason being is that we also sell fireworks through the July 4th season. So we'll be open June 9th and we'll close July 5th. So we don't want to be trying to move in the middle of fireworks season for us. So hoping mid to the end of June and hoping that it won't sell very quickly or too quickly. Here lately, we've just been doing vlog style videos. Before we get into it, I do want to give another update on my stomach issues, my health issues. We are trying one more time with another round of antibiotics. This time I'm just taking amoxicillin 3 times a day and a pill that works the same way as the one that I was having issues with, but it is not in the same family, so it doesn't have the same ingredients. So fingers crossed. I haven't started it yet, but fingers crossed that this will do the trick. All right, enough about me. Let's get on with the video. All right, as you can see, Ty has finished pulling up the carpet in the kitchen, except for under the fridge and under the stove. He is considering pulling this up so that we can get rid of all this and not add yet another 2 layers. Hi, baby. Another 2 layers to this, and then it would make this lip that much taller. So he's thinking about taking this up, and then we'll put our Luan down, and I know you need food. I know. And then just put our new flooring down there. We've been busy with fireworks stuff, so the other cabinets haven't been taken out yet. I need to do dishes. That's on the list today. But it will be coming out soon, and you guys will get to watch us destroy this kitchen. It'll be great fun. Nasty, dirty, great fun. Okay, so we are in the bedroom, the back bedroom upstairs. I've been working on it for a couple of days. I'll get a day where I can really work on it, and then there's like 3-4 days that I haven't been able to get up here. So we're gonna paint the baseboards, do another coat on like the window sill of the window. Everything else is done. The door behind me is done, but the door jamb needs another coat. And then hopefully we can get some polyurethane on everything, because the end of May is coming quickly which means that toys need to come here so fireworks can go where the toy store is, and we can do our whatnot shows here at the house instead until we sell it. Once we sell it, I don't know where we're gonna do it. Outside, I have no idea. We'll figure it out, but it actually might be a little interesting if we do it outside. Most people do it inside, like in a warehouse or in their living room, so might be a little interesting if we do it outside. Hot, because we're in Indiana, so you don't just get the heat, you get the humidity too, so as soon as you step outside, you're sweating. But, so we're gonna do that today, and then I need to do dishes, and then we are doing a vendor booth at a street fair that is happening here in our town that we live in. So I have to go to the toy store and make sure that what I had pulled is actually what I want to take, make sure everything is priced accordingly, because we have dropped the prices on a lot of items and we were just making little tags on the shelves rather than repricing the item. So I need to make sure that everything is priced accordingly. Sorry, my cats are fighting. Stop. And yeah, I think that's it. Then once everything's priced correctly, we'll load it into the car and bring it here to the house, because then we get up bright and early in the morning and go downtown and set everything up. So I think that's all that's happening today. So let's get to it.
You call. You call.
All right, we've got the cabinets with the kitchen sink out. We're taking off the trim. Got that cabinet out. That's not scary. I think they were living in our walls. Ty's gonna work on taking the tiles down on the ceiling later. Making progress. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.